Alrighty, so my kitchen is going to be a standard kitchen size height, which is 90 centimeters. So I've cut the legs at 86, 85.5, because these are 4.5 centimeters, which will bring the total height up to 90. And then the length is 133 centimeters. And the depth that I've got to work with is 57 centimeters, which means if my depth is 57 centimeters and each of these are 4.5 centimeters, that increases the depth by 9. So if I've got 57 depth to play with, I need to cut these cross members at 48 centimeters. It all makes sense to me. Let's see if it works. Welcome back. So today I'm going to be starting to make the kitchen worktop. Now I've found locally some reclaimed pallet wood, which I'm going to stagger, glue together, sand down, and that's going to make my worktop. The reason I've chosen this is it's pretty light because I've got a butler sink, so it's going to sit under and I couldn't use laminate. So let's get sanding, gluing, let's do something. Alright folks, as you can see, my worktop has been glued and screwed, and I'll let that set for a couple of days. I've now just measured from the front to the back 60 centimeters, and I'm just going to circular saw that off to get the depth. So I'm going to leave that to dry and start sanding it. Alright, I've just offered it up. I'm pretty chuffed with the way that looks actually. Fits perfectly. Little overhang, which I wanted. So yeah, now I'm going to start to sand it and prepare it. Alright, so after a lot of sanding, I'm pretty happy with my solid wood worktop. Yeah, for the sake of 20 quid, that's much cheaper than buying a worktop. So of course it needs to be oiled and whatnot, but yeah, pretty happy with that. Woo! has come up awesome. I'm so pleased with that. I think it takes 6 hours to kind of soak in and get dry, and then I'm going to give it another coat. But yeah, that looks pucker. Right, on to the next job.